Multiple allelism is one of the important aspects in the field of genetics. This phenomenon we can study by taking the example of ABO blood group systems of human beings. See, when a single locus gets represented by three or more than three alleles, then that results into multiple allelism. And because of the presence of several alleles of a single gene locus, a number of genotypes would be possible. And one can also see that what impact that will lead or that will leave on the phenotypic expression. So in our own case, what we find that the gene that determines the blood group, ABO blood group, that is represented by three alleles, that is IA, IB, and IO. And these alleles could be located on the large arm of chromosome 9. This is exact position of that particular locus. There are three alleles, IA, that is codominant with IB. So IA, IB, they are codominant. It means if both alleles are present in an individual, then both will get expressed. Whereas IA and IB both are dominant over IO allele. So keeping this particular situation in mind, you can have the idea that an individual whose blood group is A, that fellow will be genotypically IAIA. It means both of his or her chromosome will have same alleles, that is IAIA, because A will be present over there and that will be expressed, or that fellow could be heterozygous, that is IAIO, because O is recessive, so A will be expressed. In case of B blood group, individual will have genotype IBIB or IBIO, and those whose blood group is AB, such individuals will be of genotype IAIB, and individual having blood group O will be genotypically IOIO. So what we are observing that because of these three alleles, 6 different genotypes could be possible in the population. Means one will find 6 different kinds of individual with respect to genotype in the population. See IAIA or IAIO. Likewise for B, 2 different kinds of genotype will be there. And for AB, this is a codominant situation. IA, IB both will be expressed here, and since this IO allele is recessive one, so individual with blood group O will have genotype only IOIO. Now, if you know the number of alleles, then you can also know that how many genotypes will be possible. But this, formula N into N plus 1 by 2 will be applicable only for autosomes. This will not be applicable for sex chromosome, because the females could be XX, male could be XY, and in such situation this particular formula will not be applicable. So in this particular case, since there are 3 alleles, so 3 into 3 plus 1, that is 4. So 3 into 4, that will be 12, divided by 2, it will be 6. It means 6 different kinds of genotype will be possible in the population. So this formula is quite useful, because if you know the number of alleles which is represented here by N, then you can know the number of genotypes. I am showing here a specific case, that is a marriage in which a father is of blood group A and mother is of blood group B. So they are married to each other. Now consider that the individual A is heterozygous, because if this fellow is homozygous, okay, in that case only IA alleles will be present in the gametes. But being heterozygous, this fellow will form 50% of the gametes with IA allele and 50% of the gametes having IO allele. So here there will be a situation where two different kinds of gametes could be formed. Likewise, if mother is of blood group B, then she could be heterozygous. So here also both alleles are being shown. And in such situation, you will find that their children could be of any blood group. That is, they could be of blood group A or B or AB or O. Means all the four possibility will be there in the next generation. So here the parental blood group is shown. Based on that, we can anticipate their genotype, and it would be better to consider them to be heterozygous. And in such case, you can anticipate that what would be the probable blood group in the children. And here, see here that how this is possible, because a sperm with the IA allele, if it fertilizes an egg with IB, then that individual's blood group will be AB. Likewise, IA may combine with IO, and in such situation the blood group of the child will be A. Here IO may combine with IB, then the blood group of the child will be B, because IO-IB means B will be expressed, and IO-IO may combine and form an individual with blood group O. So this is a single example which gives us idea that how four different kinds of, means all four blood group will be possible if mother and father they belong to blood group A and B. Now here in this table, the parental blood group is shown, father and mother, their blood group is shown here, and then the possibility of blood group in their children could be known. So children's blood group, that can be A, B, AB, or also all these four are shown here. Now father and mother's, their blood group is shown in this mating pattern. You can say that this is actually mating pattern, and here the possibility of their child having a particular type of blood group, that is shown. So as I just told, that if father is of blood group A, then that individual could be heterozygous, and mother, if she is also of the same blood group A, then she could also be heterozygous. If they are homozygous, if both are homozygous, in that case they will have child only of blood group A. But it is better, as I said in the beginning, to consider them heterozygous, so that all possible types of children could be deduced. So if both are heterozygous, then their children will either be of blood group A or O, because IA, IO may combine, or IO, IO, if they are heterozygous, can also combine. So A and O blood group will be possible. Similarly, in case if father and mother both have same blood group, and that is B, then in such situation they will not have individuals or children of blood group A as well as AB. So the only possible blood group of their children will be B and O. Here individuals like father and mother, if their blood group is O, then IO allele will be present in both cases, and in such situation children will only be of blood group O, and means other three will not be possible at all. If both parents are of blood group AB, then they will have children of A, B and AB. O will not be possible, because A may combine, or B may combine, or A and B may combine, but there will not be occurrence of IO, so O types will not be possible. Here if father is of blood group A and mother AB, in such situation one will have children of blood group A, B and AB, so O will not be possible. Now IA, O could be the genotype of a parent who's suppose father, if that individual of blood group A is going to be married with a woman of blood group O. So if parents are having blood group A and O, in such situation their children will have blood group A and O, means B and AB will not be possible. So in this table you can see the parental blood group type and then probable type blood group type of their children. This will give you quite good kind of idea. Besides these things, I would also like to add that you can see in case if they are heterozygous, if this particular condition is given, that if they are heterozygous, then what would be the possibility of getting blood group A and getting blood group O? What would be the possibility of other types? For other types, you can say that that will be not possible at all. But in case if this fellow is IA, IO, and this fellow is also IA, IO, in such condition, you may have genotype in the next generation as IAIA or IAIO or IOIO, and the genotypic situation will be 1 is to 2 is to 1. So this kind of situation you can also keep in mind, and means how many types of A blood group possibility will be there, what would be the possibility of occurrence of O. So in this case you can say that the possibility of getting blood group A will be 3 by 4 and possibility of getting blood group O will be 1 by 4. So this kind of analysis one can also have, and based on that certain questions may be asked. Sometimes we face questions like if the one of the parents is having blood group this and one of the children is of blood group this, then what would be the possibility of blood group or what kind of blood group will be there of a of other parent. So all such things you can solve very well if you have the idea of inheritance pattern of this ABO blood group system.